Okay, well, here we have a bicycle engine kit. This is how it came to me in the box. Obviously your engine, your exhaust, carburetor with the world's best looking air filter on it, ignition side of things, and yeah, that's basically it. So it did come wrapped in bubble wrap. I just took that off to make looking at it a bit easier. But if you look down in there, there's already some slight scoring on the piston. I mean, it is slight. What you can see is there's a burr right there. There's actually a burr in that cylinder there, so it's not too good. I haven't got a replacement gasket kit, so I'll have to YOLO it and run it as is, and if it does break, I'll just get in contact with the seller and be like, you know, how much for another barrel and piston? I want to put the upgraded piston in here anyway. And I think they do a ported barrel as well, so, you know, that'll be a thing later on after we've tried it out. Chinese export. Looking at the finish, it's just been, you know, got like a hammerite kind of paint on it. Some of these are coloured, some are not. This is just black. Yeah, it's all there. There's a fuel tank. I mean, it was ridiculously cheap. It's, you know, going to be the highest quality grade Chinesium, but it's going to be good fun. So yeah, there's the fuel tank. There's a chain, it's quite important, big beefy chain, bit overkill for this application I think. This only produces about 2.1 brake horsepower, so yeah, the chain's overkill, but wait till you see how the sprocket fits to the rear wheel. And this is how it fits to the rear wheel. You have some bolts, we have some rubber smooth, we have these things which clamp to the spokes. Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, it's as bad as it sounds. Oh well, that'd be good fun. We have some mounting hardware, there's a lot of mounting hardware, there's a fuel filter, there's a spark plug, all that good stuff. Right, let's get it onto the bike.